Welcome to the AWS Customer Meetup. I'm pleased to see leaders and practitioners from our software, internet, and model providers, known as SWIM, community join us today. We have designed this virtual forum based on your feedback, focusing on what matters most to you, from cloud operations excellence to security best practices and cost optimization strategies here. Today is about learning from each other's real world experiences and strengthening our technical community there. Before we begin, let me quickly cover some important logistics to help you get the most out of today's session here. To ensure the best experience for everyone, we encourage your active participation through the chat. Please post your questions there and we'll address them during designated Q&A times in each session. Please keep yourself muted unless you're asking a question during Q&A. As this is a public forum, we kindly remind you not to share any confidential information there. A few important notes about today's content. We'll be sharing the presentation materials, but there's a small task first. Please complete the post-event survey. The link to the presentations will be provided after completing the survey there. We are recording today's session, and it will be available on the AWS Events YouTube channel for once the event is done, and we'll post it in a few weeks here. Now, let me hand it over to our event sponsor and keynote speaker, Michael Beck. He's the area lead for AWS Enterprise Support, leading our teams across North America swim segment. Michael has been instrumental in making today's customer meetup possible. Over to you, Michael.
Thank you, Sreedhar. That was very nice of you. So this is our third Amazon Web Services support customer meetup for digital natives technology first businesses. As Sreedhar mentioned, my name is Michael Beck, the AWS support leader for the digital native software, internet, and model providers in North America. I've been at Amazon for 7 years and spending my entire time within AWS Enterprise Support. And I've had the good fortune to work with so many companies who are disrupting industries and creating amazing new products and technologies. They're reinventing everything from how we do business to business, business to consumer, and even how end users interact with the different technologies and products and services that are out there. It's really cool. And it's inspiring to work every day with the AWS technical account managers, or TAMs as you all know them, who own the operational pillar of well-architected. They ensure that our customers are performing in the most secure, resilient, and cost-effective manner possible. And I continually get feedback from our customers about the great work that TAMs are doing every day. And so I appreciate hearing that. Feel free to reach out and send me anything that you've got. I do want to touch on July 16th, the AWS Summit in New York City, where we had a lot of great sessions and interactions. And there's some new service and feature announcements that I wanted to just touch on, make sure people were aware of if they didn't attend or didn't get some of the information. We announced Amazon Bedrock Agent Core, which is now in preview, enabling rapid deployment and scaling of AI agents with enterprise-grade security. It has some really cool features, the memory management. So the agent core memory for both short-term and long-term memory persistence is really neat. Some of the identity controls, tooling integration, and it all just really helps to streamline development while working with any open source framework and foundation model, whether it's in Bedrock or out of Bedrock. And then another one that's really cool was the Amazon EKS being able to scale to 100,000 nodes in a cluster. So obviously for our model providers and some of our other HPC workloads, being able to run up to like 1.6 million AWS Trainium accelerators or 800,000 NVIDIA GPUs is just amazing. It's just an awesome scale. And then we have a few more summits still coming up globally. Here, kind of what I'd say local to us all, a lot of us is there's Toronto on September 4th and Los Angeles in September 17th. So if you're able to make either one of those. So I do want to say thank you, everybody, for being able to take time out of your busy schedules to spend time with us all here today and share and learn from each other in the expectation that you'll be able to take something away with you that will add to the success and growth of your career, the products you support, and your companies. As Sreedhar said, we really would like to see interactive engagement in the chat. Those are always some of the most fun parts of these customer meetups, is having something that one of you are sharing in the session and then sparks a lot of dialogue, and then we get interaction between the live Q&A and the chat. So please interact and engage with everybody. We are hoping that this allows connections to be made potentially between different people, sometimes in the same company, very big companies. People don't know each other, and so sometimes we introduce them, and then also across companies. And we really want this to continue to be this community for all of us. So yeah, thank you so much for being here, and please contribute to it. We do have some really exciting sessions. We've got 5 sessions, 4 customer-led sessions and an AWS-led session. So we've got, Flexport, who's going to be talking about their database transformation. We've got Ancestry talking about wrangling their very large petabyte data ingestion and how they deliver that to some of their internal users and stakeholders. Enlight is going to talk about how they optimize Amazon workspaces. Really interesting, both from architectural and also a cost efficiency point of view, which goes well into Duolingo, who's going to be sharing their FinOps cloud cost optimization story. And then our very own Brad Doran, Senior Technical Account Manager, is going to be talking about AWS support and how that helps to enable and accelerate your GenAI resilience and security. So lots of really great topics, lots of really great content speakers. I'm excited to see all the participants that are lining up in the call. So yeah, thank you all for being here.